I've explored hundreds of channels to bring you some awesome faceless channel ideas you can kick off today and start making money online. Not only do I show example channels and their earnings in some cool niches, but I've also added quick, easy tips on how to whip up these videos using AI. In the video, I'm leaning on the Social Blade website to show you real income proof for these channels. Social Blade's a trusted name in the game, so you know the numbers are legit. If you're scratching your head, wondering which YouTube niche to dive into, this video is your golden ticket. It'll spark your imagination and open the door to all kinds of exciting possibilities. Yes, the first channel we'll take a look at is called Easy Actually. This channel explains simple concepts in an easy-to-understand way. As you'll notice, it does this by using very basic animated figures. Here's an interesting fact. People are 70% more likely to follow videos that save them time, and this channel seems to take advantage of that. To check how much it earns, let's head over to its Social Blade page. On this page, it's recommended to go by Social Blade's higher estimate, and for this channel, it's making around $4,000 per month just by providing simple information. Let's take a closer look at one of its videos to figure out how they create them.
The big milestone numbers in life that everyone wants to achieve. 18th birthday, 100K salary, $1 million net worth.
Yes, making videos like this is a total blast. First, you can whip up a script with ChatGPT. Easy peasy. Then hop over to Canva to design your main character, some quirky sidekick animation figures, and cool scenes. Next, turn that script into a snazzy voiceover with 11 Labs. And finally, toss it all together in a video editor like CapCut. Boom! You've got yourself a masterpiece. The next channel we're diving into is called Out of Bounds. This one's all about sports, dishing out some cool NBA facts. For example, did you know only 2% of players have ever scored over 60 points in an NBA game? Wild, right? It drops quirky facts like that, and even though the channel and the NBA vibes are pretty fresh, it's already racked up nearly 15 million views in no time. A quick peek at its Social Blade page shows this channel's cashing in over $10,000 a month. Let's check out one of its videos now.
Thrive in the NBA, right? Well, yes, unless you're Tony Allen, with his incredible coaches used to get their stars the ball. That way, he would never would barely see the floor, did his groundwork ever end.
See? With simple videos, reaching a huge crowd is a slam dunk. All you need to do is grab some NBA stock footage, whip up a script with ChatGPT, turn it into a slick voiceover with 11 Labs, and mix it all together in an editor like CapCut. Boom! You're in the game! The next channel we're checking out is called Jartoon, and it's all about anime. Anime pulls in billions of viewers every month. Yep, billions. It's especially a magnet for the 18 to 34 crowd. And get this, for every 1,000 views, this audience brings in about $10. Pretty sweet, right? With just 101 videos, Jartoon's already snagged over 400 followers, and its views are bouncing between 15,000 and 20,000. A quick look at its Social Blade page shows it's raking in $10,000 a month. And that's just from ads. Toss in some affiliate cash and it's living large. Let's zoom in on one of its videos to see how it's done and figure out the magic recipe.
Legos are meant for kids. At least that's what boring old people will say. In reality, Legos provide
I'm sorry, okay? You made being special sound so good.
They dress up as cowboys and head out for doom, and leaves Emmett to watch on in horror as he begins freezing everybody. Back at the office, Emmett has lost all hope.
You can use ChatGPT to write fun, explanatory scripts for old cartoon clips, then turn those scripts into awesome voiceovers with 11 Labs, and blend them with stock footage of the cartoons. Boom! Anime gold! And who knows, maybe you'll be the next cartoon star, sipping lemonade on your pile of anime cash. The next channel we're diving into is all about gaming. It's called Daydream Gaming. Gaming is a monster, pulling in billions of views every month, and this channel's riding that wave. As you can see, it's scoring huge view counts with super simple videos. We're talking basic stuff here. Just walking scenes from games, nothing fancy. These are pretty much straight-up screen recordings, and that's it. A peek at its Social Blade page shows it's banking over $10,000 a month. Let's take a closer look at one of its videos, like this one right here. Yep, if you're into gaming, this could be your playground. Making these videos is a breeze. All you need is to record some gameplay on your computer and share the footage. That's it, you're golden. Who knows, maybe you'll be the next gaming guru, kicking back with a controller and a pile of cash while the views roll in. The next channel we're checking out is all about explaining simple facts in a super easy way. It does this with basic screenshots. Nothing complicated here. Fun fact, if you pair the right screenshots with facts, people are 70% more likely to remember them. Cool, huh? This channel's totally cashing in on that trick. Check it out. With just a handful of videos, it's snagged hundreds of thousands of followers, and its views are soaring past 100,000. A quick look at its Social Blade page shows it's pulling in about $4,000 a month. Not too shabby for such simple videos. Let's zoom in on one of its videos to see the magic up close.
Let me get this straight. I hurt my elbow, I swallow a pill, it goes to my stomach, then somehow it gets from my stomach to my elbow, and the pain is gone. What Big Farm is calling the liver. Once the liver gives the green light, the remains of our hero leave the liver and reaches general circulation. Where is general circulation?
Yep, these videos are as basic as it gets. You can pick topics and write scripts with ChatGPT, whip up screenshots in Canva, create a voiceover with 11 Labs, and then mash it all together into a video like this. Easy peasy. Before you know it, you'll be the king or queen of fun facts, raking in views and chilling like a pro. The next channel we're diving into comes from a pretty cool niche, aviation. As you'll see, it's all about super simple airplane videos, especially those wild moments when planes are under stress. This channel keeps it basic but brilliant. When we peek at its Social Blade page, we find out it's hauling in around $7,000 a month with these no-fuss videos. Not bad, right? Let's take a closer look at one of its videos to see what's up.
An Emirates Boeing 777 is in serious trouble on its final approach to Dubai International Airport. Airborne. Not long after.
Yep, just as we thought. These videos are crazy simple. They don't even use real airplane footage half the time. Instead, they lean on stock clips you can grab anywhere, pair them with a quick script turned into a voiceover with 11 Labs, and bam, you've got a video ready to roll in just a couple of hours. Anyone with a laptop and a little curiosity about planes could jump into this. Next thing you know, you're soaring high, raking in views and cash while sipping coffee and dreaming of your next flight. All without leaving the ground. The next channel we're spotlighting is in the entertainment zone. It's called The Laugh Planet. You know how entertainment videos are like view magnets, racking up almost double the watches of regular clips? Plus, they hook viewers fast, which means big bucks from ads. This channel's got a simple yet genius vibe going, using basic movie scenes to whip up its videos. Check it out. It's pretty much all stock footage, nothing fancy here. When we swing by its Social Blade page, we see it's pulling in a cool $15,000 a month. And considering its audience is mostly middle-aged folks, that number totally makes sense. They've got cash to spare and love a good laugh. Let's dive into one of its videos for a closer peek.
Women drivers.
Quiet. In Thoroughly Modern Millie, Carol Channing was supposed to blow a raspberry in a scene, but legend has it she misread the script.
Yep, just as we thought. It's all about snipping bits from existing clips to create something fresh. You could totally do this too. Grab some stock footage, cook up scripts with ChatGPT, add a slick voiceover with 11 Labs, and in just a few hours, you've got a hit. Before you know it, you'll be the entertainment king or queen, rolling in dough and laughing all the way to the bank while binge watching your own creations. Alright, I hope these faceless channels linked below have sparked some inspiration and motivation in you. If they did, I'd love to hear from you. Please drop a comment below. Your feedback is what keeps me going and motivates me to create more content like this, so it means a lot to me. And if you made it this far in the video, you're clearly interested in creating content with AI, so I recommend checking out my video on creating kids videos.